Good morning, student. Student, open your science book, chapter number 8, and ready with pencil, eraser, sharpener, pen, and classwork copy or homework copy. Okay. Some question you can do direct in your textbook with the help of pencil, and some book when I ask you, you will write down in your classwork copy. After that, you will write down same question answer in your fair copy. Okay, all of you get ready to write down the exercises direct in your book of chapter number 8. Open your book, student. Plant growth and survival. Chapter number 8. Of December 2020. Class 4th. Subject Science. Today's my topic is exercises of chapter 8. The exercise of chapter 8, plants. Name is the chapter is plants growth and survival. Plant growth and survival. Open your page number 89. Open. Okay. Exercise. Tick the correct statement and cross the wrong one. Write with the help of pencil, student. I am also taking the book for the explanation of the question answer. First, tick or cross. According to statement, I am not going to write down the whole statement of the question. Student, listen. Question number 1. A place where an organism is adapted to grow and live is called terrestrial habitat. A place where an organism is adapted to grow and live is called not a terrestrial. Okay, it is called a habitat. So it is the wrong. First is wrong. Answer 2. Listen also, the correct answer will be habitat. So this is wrong, not terrestrial. The trees of desert have broad leaves. No, student. The desert plant have the leaves modified into the spine, not broad, because they know much more water available. So they reduce the water. So it is also cross statement. Tick the cross. Tick. Not tick, cross this. Mangroves grows in marshy area having breathing roots, right? Answer 4. Desert plants have A fleshy stem due to spongy air spaces. Actually, this is the characteristics of the aquatic plant. Okay. Fleshy stem, but spongy air is not a right statement. Please, this is very dry, little rainwater. Weather current result development result plant of normally small. Okay, this is wrong statement. This is the wrong statement. Plants in the plains have few leaves and branches. Students, generally plants that live in the plain area have very much more branches and leaves. Okay, also given in your page number 81. Large plate of land, some areas plain receive. So plant growing here develop specific feature. Lot of leaves with branches spread around. So this statement is wrong. Write down. Second, fill in the blanks. Answer first. Write down answer direct in the book. Is a plant of coastal area. Is a plant of coastal area. Coconut is a plant of coastal area. You can write down. Coconut. Second, plant like dash and dash have their roots fixed in water. Plant like fixed protein, lotus and water lily. You can write down. Water lily and lotus. Third, saprophytic plant like dash get their nutrition from dead and decaying matter. Saprophytic plant like mushroom, fungi. You can write down any one. mushroom. 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 Plant in marshy area have breathing root. Write down. BREATHING. BREATHI. Breathing root. Fifth. The dash stem of lizard plant have to survive without water for many days. Generally, lizard plant stems are fleshy in nature. It contain water. Okay. FLESHY. FLESHY. Write down, student, in your book. I hope student you are all written this. I am going to erase this. Identify the following plants on the basis of given clue. So name the plants. Third. Answer. First. In its sharp spines are in fact leaves that help it to reduce water loss. Sharp spines and fat leaves that help to reduce water loss. Generally, it is found in the desert plant. DESE, desert plants. Answer second. It has needle-shaped leaves and sloping branches. Generally found in the mountain or hilly areas plant. Mountain or hilly areas, mountain plants. Answer third. It traps the insect that lands on its leaves. Pitcher plant. Or you can write down the insectivorous plant also. You can change pitcher plant, don't write as an example. You can write down the insectivoro insectivorous plant and learn the example. insectivorous. Answer 4. Write down student direct in your book. Plant have blade-like leaves and many branches. Root. Grass family plant. Don't write any example, only write the whole solid plants. And the last, plant with roots grow above the ground and have teeny opening at their tips. Roots, generally mangrove. Mangroves plant. Write down student in your book, and after that you will write down in the copy. Now write the answer of the match the column direct in your book. Write the number 1, 2, 3 and 4. Answer 1. Write down babool. Babool is found in the desert plant. C. Rubber. Rubber is found in the heavy rainfall area, coastal area. B. Third, sand dew. Sand dew is generally an insectivorous plant. E. Answer 4. Lily is the fixed aquatic plant. D. And spruce is a coniferous tree. A. Write down in this way 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and their answer. Complete this in your book. Okay, now I am time is going to over. Write down today's homework. Learn today's EFCRC exercise of chapter 8 from book. Write down means revise the exercise from the book directly because you have already written the answer of the today's exercises. Okay? Thank you, students. Have a nice day. Thank you. Write down in your diary.